Can business be effortless? Welcome back, friend. My name is Leann Wolff. I am your human design professional and your BG5 business and career consultant. When clients first interact with me, they are at this point where they're like, I have put in all of this effort. I create content. I am, doing all of the lead magnets. I have the tripwires and the PDFs and the ebooks, but I'm not getting the clients. The more I work, the less I'm actually seen, the less my clients interact with me. There's this interesting dichotomy. So the question that I propose to you is, do you actually believe that business can be effortless? So when I was going through my analyst training, the one teacher, his hugest thing he always talked about was pushing a boulder uphill. When we're working against our energy, when we're working against our design, the imagery that he always used was pushing a boulder uphill. And just imagine that. You're behind this big boulder and you're doing all you can to push it up the hill. That, my friends, is going against the energy. But how can business be effortless? How do we get out of the way and let that boulder go and literally be in the flow? Well, when my clients come to me and they have these deep feelings of, I'm failing. I'm doing all of the effort and I'm failing. The very first thing that we do when my clients work with me is this. I ask them this question. What's the vision for your business? I usually get arms crossed. They start to look. They're trying to retrieve out of their memory, like, what is my vision? Geez, that's a good question, Leann. Oh, okay. So all the effort that you're putting in, all the content that you're creating, where's it designed to flow? Oh, geez, I don't know. Okay. Today's conversation is going to be really quick because if you don't have a vision, no matter what you're doing in your business, will always equal pushing a boulder uphill. All the efforting, all the content, all the PDFs, all the stuff will always feel like pushing a boulder uphill. Okay? Now let me share my screen with you so that you can grasp this and lean into that question. What's the vision for your business? Okay. So I'm going to share my screen here. Just bear with me for a second. So when we look at business through the BG5, terminology and looking, we got to look at the penta. We got to look at the energy field. Vision lies here in the second gate. It's all about our material direction. And no matter all the effort that you're doing internally, inside your business, creating the culture, coordination, capacity, commitment, all of that. If there's no vision, there is no way for it to be seen in the outside world. Now, what I want you to understand is, take it from me. I have spent tens of thousands of dollars utilizing my resources of this 14 without a vision. Until I went, hold on a minute. I'm going through all this training and I'm like, oh, I get it. I never had a vision. I didn't see where things were going. I did this in my other businesses. Why didn't I do it here? Well, I absolutely realized that without a vision, no matter the effort that I was putting in, did not matter. None of it mattered. the outside world was never going to be able to see all the beautiful stuff on the inside because there was no vision for my fractal to actually look at and see. So when clients work with me, this is my superpower. Again, totally open identity center, totally open conceptualization center, totally open inspiration center. And what I get to do is help you source that. I get to help you source your vision. I get to help you source all of the beautiful connection with the universe, source energy. So that when you're in your business, that's the very first thing we go to. When I work with my clients, that's the very first thing. What is your vision? Because without it, you are going to stumble. You are going to put in all the effort. You are going to do all of the things. You're going to utilize your resources. You're going to utilize your energy field, and you're going to be so frustrated. You're going to be bitter because people aren't seeing you. You're going to feel very angry because all the effort is depleting you energetically. Your body's starting to break down. Things are happening not for the good, but for the detriment of your being. Okay, so again, what is your vision? Because effortless equals being in the vision. That's what it equals. So throw in your comments here. Like, seriously, do you know your vision? And are you also putting in all the effort, but that vision isn't happening? Because there's that dichotomy as well. So when I work with my clients, I get them to go, I get them to lock into their frequency. I get them to lean into that frequency so that the actual vision that is for them can be seen. Because we get very caught up in this. Vision's individual, but there's this huge collective desire that can take place. And then all of a sudden we get all these visions. Oh, well, so-and-so did this, so maybe I should do that. Oh, so-and-so has this, so maybe I should have that. The vision for your business is your vision for your business. Okay? So if you want to book a call, book a call. I will tell you that getting a mentor, getting a coach was absolutely game changer for me. Okay? And if you want to continue to go it alone and effort and push the boulder uphill, feel free, right? Like, do all the free stuff. Do all the free stuff you can. But know that it's costing you time and effort and energy to do that. Jump on board with a mentor. Your vision can be effortless. Business can totally be effortless. We're designed to have business be effortless. Okay? So, again, jump on a call. If not, stay where you're at. Stay inside doing it alone. And, take all the free content you can. And hopefully you can get to the place that you want to get to. But ask yourself this question. What's the vision for your business? All right, friends. Take care.